Welcome back to the family homestead. It's February the 24th and it's sleeting and raining out here today. So we're going to go feed some animals and the little boy's out there playing in it.
We just got started now.
Yeah.
The whole ground is frozen.
Yeah.
We had a storm last night. You can say we had a storm today. Comment down below. Hit the subscribe button. Notification bell. And put a thumbs up on our video.
Okay, we'll be back with you in a minute.
Welcome back, guys. As you can see, Mommy's gonna... It's starting to do it again. You can see Mommy's gonna go feed chickens. And last night we had a storm. A crazy storm today. Now it's starting to do it again. The ice is froze, the food is done. We don't know what happened last night. We had an ice storm today. And what is this ice called, Mom? What? I can't hear you.
Sleet.
Sweet. That's what the ice is called from the sky. That's today is bad storm. Here's our chickens. Here's our wonderful chickens. You guys do not like video. There is highway in the video. You must say hi to highway. You can see Mohawk's the little mean one. Get back, Mohawk. Mohawk. And there's also Kojak too. Mohawk and Kojak. And Mom's feeding stuff on it. Oh my God, that's crazy today. Mommy, I was checking out a little water. And you can see how I was eating. Is Bubba in there?
Yeah, Bubba's in there.
Hey, Bubba Hubba. Here's Bubba Hubba. He's right here for doing a video shake. What the? Do you like this? Okay, that's crazy. The other guinea got.
Are you drinking out
The other guinea got out. Look,
Let's see
the guinea
here.
got out. That's frozen solid.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Sit down. Sit down and do something to it. Oh, no.
Oops, sorry, baby.
Oh, stop doing that. Don't do that to me. There's chicken to the chicken dance. There is some highway. Get me out of the pen. You better get back in the pen, Gunny. Whitey white. And Home Alone, Mohawk, Blacky Black, Black Ray, Highway Moses, and I'm by the cars. What?
So I got to get my pan back.
Can I unpause it now?
Yeah, pause it.
I can't. Help me.
Okay, guys, you see, had to bust the water. I gotta go bust the pool water. Get them off some more water. Because it's starting to sleet and rain again. The little man's eating some icicles. But I don't know if you can see it. It's sleeting and snowing at the same time. But this is all from last night. And then we're getting some more. There's our little birds. I don't know if you can hear the thunder in the background. But it's thundering. But everything's iced over. Even my poor potatoes has got ice on them. There's another bird. But we'll holler back at you in a little bit.
Same bird.
What they need to do?
Subscribe. Notification bell. Like on the video. We're trying to get how much subscribers are we trying to get?
I don't know.
16,000, 1,000.
And everybody stay warm, safe, and God bless you. Bye.